Good morning, student. Class 11, second chapter, relation and function. Yesterday, we discussed about the Cartesian product of two given non-empty sets and equality of ordered pair and some applications of exercise 2.1 NCERT. Today we will proceed to the next question. So the next question is question number 5. Exercise 2.1. If given set E is equals to having element -1, 1, then find A cross A cross A. So what we have to find? Cartesian product of the set A with A itself. So first here we will find here A cross A is equals to -1, 1 cross with -1, 1. So for A cross A, it will be first -1, -1, comma -1, 1, then 1, -1, and then 1, 1. So this is the A cross A. Now we have to find A cross of A with cross A. So here A cross A is -1, -1, comma -1, 1, comma 1, -1, and 1, 1. Now we have to find the cross with this again with A. So that is with -1, 1. So here the first element of this A cross A is this. So -1, -1 of -1. This will be the first ordered pair. Then so it can be written as -1, 1 is the first element. So it will be equals to in this way. Then -1, 1, comma 1. So this will be the second relation. Similarly, -1, comma every element will be written with the first element, then every element will be written the so -1 with 1, then -1, 1. Now we will take the second element. So -1, 1, comma with your -1 one time, and then second -1, 1 with +1. So this is the second relation. Then with this element, so 1, -1, minus of 1, then 1, -1, 1. So this is the relation with this third element, with first element and then second. Now we have to relate this element with first and second. So again 1, 1 with -1, and then 1, 1 with 1. So this is your A cross A cross A. So to find the Cartesian product of two given set, what we have to do? We have to take one element and we have to associate this element with the every element in the second set. Then we will take the second element and then we will associate with this element to the every element of second set. So in this way we can find the Cartesian product of two given sets. Now let us see question number 6. So the next question, question number 6 is question number 6. If A cross B is equals to the ordered pair of A comma X comma A comma Y comma B comma X comma B comma Y. So in Cartesian product of A cross B, there are 4 ordered pair. So when Cartesian product is defined, then the collection of all the first element in given ordered pair will belongs to the first set, and the collection of all the second element in the Cartesian product will belongs to the second set. So implies that set A will be, in set theory, if any element is repeated, then we will write only single. So here in all 4 ordered pair, the element are AA and BB. So the repeated element will be written is only single time. So set A having the element small a and B. Similarly, set B having element collection of the second element, so xy and xy. So again x is also repeated 2 times and y is also repeated 2 times. So we will write only single time, so x comma y. So whenever Cartesian product is given, then from the given ordered pair, the collection of all the first element will belongs to the first set, and the collection of all the second element will belongs to the second set. So this is your answer of question number 2. Now question number 7. Let set A is equals to question number 7. Let set A is equals to 1 comma 2 and set B is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and set C is equals to 5 comma 6 and set D is equals to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. So these are the 4 given sets, and we have to prove that question number first is A cross B intersection C. B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. So this we have to prove. So first of all, we will find the left hand side. So to find the left hand side, first C. A cross B intersection C. So first we will find B intersection C. B intersection C means the common element of B and C. So B is here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection C. What is C? C is 5 comma 6. So here B intersection C is 5. So B intersection C is equals to 5. Now A cross 5. If we have to find the Cartesian product of a given set with the empty set, then the Cartesian product will be also empty set. So A cross will be, here A is having element 1 comma 2 and we have to find the cross with an empty set. So whenever one set is empty set, A cross 5 will be equals to 5. So this is your LHS. Now we will find RHS. How we will find RHS? See what is RHS? First A cross B. So here A cross B. A cross B means A having element 1 comma 2 and B having element 1, 2, 3, 4. So A cross B will be equals to A cross B. How we will find? We will associate every element of set A with the every element of set B in the ordered pair. So first we will relate 1 to every element of set B. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. So these are the total ordered pair which are known as relation as ordered pair, means the association of element of set A to set B in this way. So this is your A cross B. Now we will find A cross C. So now A cross C, how we will find A cross C? So let us see. A cross C is, A cross C will be equals to, here A, what is A? A is having element 1 comma 2 and C is having element 5 comma 6. So again find A cross C will be equals to 1 5 1 6. So 1 5 1 6, then 2 5 and 2 6. So these are the total 4 ordered pair which are the subset of A cross B. Now what we have to find? Now A cross B intersection of A cross C. So see, what is the common element in A cross B and A cross C? Here see, 1 1 nowhere, 1 2 nowhere, 1 3 nowhere, 1 4 nowhere, then 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4, 2 5 is here, but this is not belongs to A cross B. In A cross B, 2 1 2 2 4, and in A cross C it started from 2 5 and 2 6. So in A cross B and A cross C, nothing is common, that is 5, implies that LHS is equals to RHS. In this way, when some sets are given and if we have to find the interrelation between the given sets, intersection, union or Cartesian product, then we will solve this type. So let us move to question number 8. Question number 8 is, let the set A, question number 8. The set A is given having element 1 comma 2 and set B is given having element 3 comma 4. Write A cross B. First what we have to find? We have to find A cross B, right? A dot B is mentioned and dot is also defined for A cross B. How many subset will A cross B have? List them. How many subsets of A cross B? So first we will write A cross B. So what is A cross B? Having element 1 2 cross with element 3 4. So how we will find the cross product of set A with set B? We have to associate first element 1 with 3 4, then 2 with 3 4. So it will be equals to 1 3 1 4 2 3 and 2 4. These are the 4 ordered pair having element. We can say one element is 1 comma 3, then 1 comma 4, then 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. So here an A cross B is equals to 4. So total number of subsets of A cross B will equals to 2 raised to the power n, that is 2 comma 4. 2 power 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So it will be equals to 16. So first we will find the Cartesian product. And what is the Cartesian product? Cartesian product is the having element as the ordered pair, or we can say the relationship between the given element of set A and set B. So majorly we can define that A cross B having 4 relation. So this Cartesian product, if we have to write as the relation of ordered pair, then capital R will be relation as ordered pair, that is, it will be 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So these are the 4 relation. Now, if we have to write in relation form, then this is relation as ordered pair. This expression is known as relation as ordered pair. And how many total relation? Then we will write 1 related to 3, 1 related to 4, 2 related to 3 and 2 related to 4. This is ki 1 related to 4. Means there is one relation from set 1 to set 3. Similarly, relation from 1 to 4, 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. And this relation is not defined, then we will just cross it. So this extra thing I explained in this question, ki whenever A cross B is given and we have to write relation as ordered pair, then we will write at the place of A cross B equals to capital R, and the relation as ordered pair will be explained as it is. So this is the question number 8, where we find first Cartesian product of the given set and then how many subsets of A cross B that we have calculated with the formula of 2 raised to the power n, where n is the number of sets in the Cartesian product. Now question number 9, let A and B be the two given sets such that NA is equals to 3. And A is equals to 3. Which question is this? Question number 9 of exercise 2.1. कि given set A में एलिमेंट की संख्या 3 है. सिमिलरली कोई दूसरा सेट दे रखा है B जिसमें एलिमेंट की संख्या है 2. नाउ इफ x, 1, x, y, 2 and z, 1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y, z are the distinct. So, what we have given? We have given that one set A is given in which number of elements are 3. Similarly, another set B in which number of elements are 2 and A cross B is defined. And here given that some of the element of A cross B are x, 1, y, 2 or z, 1 and so on, maybe some more element. Then find the set A and B. So whenever Cartesian products some subsets are given, then in the given subsets as a ordered pair, the collection of first element will belongs to the first set and collection of the second element will belong in second set. So by simple observation, here set A will having x, y, z and set B will having element 1 and 2. Implies that NA is equals to 3 and NB is equals to 2. So in this way, whenever the Cartesian product is defined, the collection of all the first element in given ordered pair will belongs to the first set and the collection of second element in the given ordered pair will belongs to the second set. Now last question, question number 10. Here given question number 10, exercise 2.1. The Cartesian product A cross B, that is two sets A and A, means given set A is itself cross product and number of element in an A cross A has 9 element, among which are found -1, sum of the ordered pair, that is A cross A if defined and the A cross A some subsets are -1, 0 and 0, 1 and some more element may be. Then find set A and the remaining element of A cross A. Hope the question is clear. What we have given? One set A is unknown, but the Cartesian product of the given set A with itself, some of the ordered pair are given. That is -1, 0 and 0, 1. And an A cross A barabar 9. Then find how many element may be in the given set A. So let out of the given ordered pair, the collection of the first element, that is -1, 0 and collection of second element, that will be, if let us suppose this is another set, then the collection of first element in the given ordered pair will belongs to the first set. So in first set, some element may be -1, 0 and the collection of second element, that is in second set. Let us for this second set time being we suppose कि ये B के बराबर है. It is A, but just to understand we are taking, let us suppose अगर B है तो B में कौन से एलिमेंट होंगे? Collection of the second element in the given ordered pair. So here may be 0, 1. Now these A and B both are the same set. So here 0 is repeated. So A may contain -1, 0 and +1. Implies that NA will be equals to 3. Implies that and A cross A will be equals to NA multiplied with NA. So 3 into 3, it will be 9. So in this way we can find the exact element in the given set A when an A cross A means Cartesian product of the given set or Cartesian product with itself is defined and number of elements are given. So thank you students. Hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it.